शुरुआत तो उनकी वजह से हुई, जो देते रहे और उसको भेजते रहे। आपकी डॉटर में क्या कमी थी जो आपको उनको बेचना पड़ा? आपने बेचा है क्यों? कौन सी कमी थी तुम्हारी डॉटर में? वो पढ़ी लिखी थी, अपना लाइफ ढूंढ रही थी। She would have found a companion. She was capable of doing this. Let her find her own companion. Oh, she made a mistake. She can make a mistake. Let her make a mistake. ये भी तो mistake हुआ। तो इंडिया में ही प्रथा है इस वक्त अरेंज मैरिजेस की, पहले नहीं थी। दूसरे वर्ल्ड में नहीं है। दूसरे वर्ल्ड में सब अपने अपना ढूंढते हैं। जब तक ओपन अप सिस्टम नहीं हो, उसमें एरर भी हो सकता है। एरर तो इधर भी है, उधर भी। I think the arranged marriage is the culprit. So she is a stranger in a new house. It is a trauma. She's walked out of a very caring home where she could take things for granted. She could tell her mother anything. She could tell her father anything. She could tell her brother anything. She could do what she wants. But she has to change completely when she moves into a new home. Our marriage institution, why is it a trauma? Because our marriage institution expects the woman to leave her loved home to a new home, which is a stranger to. Now the question is, whereas for the husband it's a celebration because he's found a companion in life, and also almost like another mother who will take care of him. And the mother decides now to withdraw, having taken care of the man, the son, and now expects the mother now, the wife stroke mother, to take charge of his clothing, of his wearing, of his food, of his habits, and support him. She may rejoice it. She may feel pain in it. How do you know? It varies from home to home. And suddenly she's expected to call them mommy and dad, and also keep them happy, keep all happy. Sister-in-law, everybody happy. Even the children in the other home happy. To love them. Where does love come? Certainly in 24 hours. And if there's no house stuff, she becomes a house stuff also.
But ma'am, Tusha was educated, financially independent, and a former Miss Pune also. But yet allegations of okay.
I'm coming to that. I'm building a ground. Please understand, we don't understand this. Disha was, for her, already the marriage must have been a trauma. She was so secure in her place, also getting recognition, Miss Pune, whatever, and an adulation, recognition, great public face, great respect, having got friends. Does the in-laws accept the fact that she can have a lot of friends, and the friends can be both girls and boys, men and women? And then it appears that in Trisha's marriage, there was a lot of giving. There was a lot of giving.
Correct.
Dowry was an issue. Why? Why? So एक तो अपनी आप दिल की टुकड़ा दे रहे हो, एक फॉरेन लैंड में भेज रहे हो, फॉरेन कंट्री में भेज रहे हो, फॉरेन होम में भेज रहे हो, नए माँ बाप है जिनको नहीं जानती है, और साथ में कुछ दे भी रहे हो, why? और वो पढ़ी लिखी है. Earlier dowry was given क्योंकि घर खाली है, उसको फर्नीचर चाहिए, बिस्तर चाहिए,
correct,
बर्तन चाहिए,
to fulfill the needs.
है. To make a house. Here is a bana house. Where is the need for a dowry? Why? Dowry was basically to build a home, start a home. Then it's not a dowry, it's helping you take off. But here, she's gone into already a running home. So Trisha, remember, for her also, already taking a dowry, giving a dowry, not taking, giving. Shameless in-laws who take it. And the mother-in-law is a judge, a former judge. Husband, the boy, is a lawyer. They're qualified, they're educated people. Why are they taking? Why are you giving? Now, the problem is in both. Why are you giving away your daughter at a price? When she's fully qualified, why could she not say, we choose, we go to a place to get married, and we register our marriage and we'll go up for a reception? Why is a reception or a marriage held? To connect with the network, inform people I'm married. We are informing people, now we are husband and wife. That's a reception about. Right?
Yes.
But it is not about. So Trisha was married with a huge cost. Marriage, ostentatious receptions and expenses, Now that's a lot of pressure on any girl. When the parents spend so much, it's a pressure. Even if they can afford, it's a huge pressure. And she also knows it behind that they have spent a lot of money. So she wants the marriage to work.
True.
Now, how does she return? Will she want another reception? This is the problem and trauma of every girl. If the evidence reveals that there was a demand for dowry, why? And if there is evidence that some things were still being given, why? That is where she is also to be blamed. Parents are also to be blamed. In-laws are also to be blamed because she alone could have put her foot down saying, I do not want this nonsense to continue.
Correct.
So if she's educated in the real sense, then what is she afraid of? Afraid of losing the wedding because now so much of investment has gone in. Isha was not integrated in the house. This is what's happening to girls in this country. They don't get integrated. They take a lifetime. We all have had mothers who took a lifetime to get integrated. My mother came to a joint family, very major joint family. And I know my mother, how long she took to get integrated. And I know how much her parents missed her when mummy left her own home. She was the only child. And my mother also came along with lot of dowry. Even those, when it goes back to so many years, must be almost now 90 years. I myself 77. When mummy was married, mountain nearing a century. I'm talking about early century. And I know why I'm saying dowry, because I still have the cupboard and the dressing table she came with. My heart cries out when girls get married. वो रोती क्यों है? बताओ, आदमी को देखा कभी रोते?
Never.
Does the man cry?
No.
On the contrary, he asks, तू रोती क्यों है? और तुझे पता नहीं है मैं अपना घर छोड़ के आ रही हूँ? वो रोती है? कौन नहीं रोती? Every marriage is a trauma. It shows fanfare, but even parents cry, brothers cry, sisters cry. She cries and then she goes. And then it is said that now अब तेरा वही घर है. Very traumatic.
But ma'am, from Tusha's father-mother perspective, from her own home, so if a daughter keeps asking for help, but no one realizes how serious the situation is with her, where do you think the failure came? The mother was like, बात करो तुम ही सॉर्ट करो, तुम्हें ही रहना है वहां पे. तो what do you think on this?
इसीलिए ना देख के तुम्हें डेट चुके हैं.
Yes. तुम्हारा तुम देखो.
उनका दिल को दुखाऊं. ना कि उसके घर पहुंच जाए कि हमारी बेटी से आ रहा है. लेकिन वो भी क्यों करती है? उसको कहना चाहिए, देखो ये मेरा घर अभी भी नहीं है. मैं अब घर से जाके बात करूंगी तुमसे. मैं अपने घर से जाके बात करूंगी. मैं इसीलिए बोल रही हूँ कि वो कोई खुशी घर में खुशी नहीं आई. Unless remember she marries a boyfriend.
In love marriage.
And in love marriage, तब वो घर मर्जी से छोड़ के आई. और वो चाहती थी मैं इस आदमी के साथ हूँ. Unless it's a love marriage. If it's an arranged marriage, it is a trauma. और love marriage में भी ये होता है कि फिर डिमांड बड़ी कम हो जाती है. डिमांड होती नहीं, तो love marriage. Why are you demanding? I'll say love marriage. I've got you, you got me. क्योंकि हम लड़कियों को अलाउ नहीं करते अपना वर्क ढूंढने का. और हमारी लड़कियां मोबाइल भी नहीं होती हैं कि अपना आदमी ढूंढे. मोबाइल नहीं होती, रिस्ट्रिक्टेड रहती है. तो इसलिए उनको पेरेंट्स को अरेंज करना पड़ता है. लेकिन वो फॉरेनर ढूंढते हैं. अरेंज मैरिज इज ऑल्सो रीजन फॉर डाउरी इश्यूज बिकॉज यू आर अरेंजिंग इट एट अ कॉस्ट. और फॉल्ट तीनों का है. लेने वाला का भी, ससुराल वाले भी ये नहीं समझ रहे कि अपनी बेटी वो घर छोड़ के आई है, इतना कुछ खर्चा करके आ रही, वो भी नहीं उसको प्यार कर रहे या उसको इज्जत मान दे रहे. और उधर से वो भी माँ बाप भी कह रहे हैं कि इतना कुछ दिया, अब तो अपना घर बसा. हमने तो राहत ली है कि तू गई, हमारी रिलीफ है. लेकिन दुख भी है।
But ma'am, the thing is also na कि parents also think about their daughters कि बच्ची हमारे घर से जा रही है तो हम उसको दे देते हैं कुछ सामान, लेकिन उसको गिफ्ट माना जाता है इन दिस जनरेशन। उसको डाउरी का नेम चेंज करके अब उसका नाम गिफ्ट कर दिया गया है।
अच्छा, तो गिफ्ट कितना हद, कुछ गिफ्ट का, अच्छा गिफ्ट है तो डायरेक्ट ट्रांसफर कर दो उसके अकाउंट में।
हाँ,
छोड़ दो उसके, ये कि जो तूने लेना तू लेती रहना, ये तेरी सिक्योरिटी। तो तुम्हें बाकी चीजें, कोई गाड़ी क्यों चाहिए? सो आई थिंक द लाइफ ऑफ ए वुमन इन इंडिया इज ट्रॉमेटिक।
So, ma'am, we are talking about women. So, Tusha's mother-in-law is also a retired district judge. So, on one hand, in front of media and media interaction, she says that she is a compassionate person who cares for others, who plant trees, and who cares for her plants. Like how sensitive, okay? And on other hand, in CCTV, we have seen that she has also involved in this case with her son. How should the public make sense of this contradiction? What do you think about this?
Mother-in-laws own the son. The son is her property. अच्छे इंसान बनने के लिए भी ट्रेनिंग चाहिए, ग्रोथ चाहिए, कॉन्फिडेंस होने के लिए भी ग्रोथ चाहिए। ग्रोथ करते नहीं ये लोग, जज बन गए, दूसरों के फैसले करते हैं, अपना फैसला।
So, as you have heard कि Tusha का husband, after days of questioning about his whereabouts, like where he is, so Samarth Singh is her husband, was surrendered. So many people were asking like why he is not available earlier.
वो भागा, भागता कौन है? डर रहा है। क्या क्यों डर रहे हो? तुम्हारी कुछ छुपा रहा है, तुम्हारी कोई गलती है। अगर कोई छुपाते नहीं, गलती नहीं होती, सीधा कहते पुलिस को, मैं बताता हूँ कैसे इसने, मैं सीन ऑफ क्राइम सेव किया हुआ, आ जाओ देखो। क्योंकि वो वकील है, उसको पता ही है शिकायत होने वाली, पुलिस आएगी।
करेक्ट।
फिर वो क्यों भागा? सीन ऑफ क्राइम क्यों नहीं प्रिजर्व किया? ब्रो, तुम कहो, पुलिस जब आएगी मैं बता दूंगी तो जो मुझे कहना, लेकिन मेरी डॉटर इन लॉ को मैं बदनाम नहीं करूँ, पब्लिकली बदनाम नहीं करूँ।
Ma'am, she is also saying about that कि she and Twisha have gone for abortion for her child. So उसके बाद like हाँ, yes.
हम घर की बात को बाहर करें ऐसे, क्यों करें? इसका मतलब है इनको इतनी देर में कोई इमोशनल कनेक्ट हुआ ही नहीं, उसने उसको अपनी डॉटर से नहीं।
But ma'am, how can a mother-in-law claim that she knew nothing about what is happening inside her own home?
Yeah, इसका मतलब घर नहीं था।
Correct.
मकान था। इकट्ठे खाना नहीं खाते थे, इकट्ठे बातचीत नहीं करते थे, इकट्ठे प्रोग्राम्स नहीं देखते थे, कहीं इकट्ठे जाते नहीं थे। घर था, आपका घर नहीं था, घर वापस नहीं आते थे, आप बाहर रहते थे, इसका मतलब आपने घर बसाया ही नहीं। और आदमी में लड़के भी स्ट्रॉन्ग नहीं होते अपनी माँ को टकाने लगाने, वो भी नहीं, वो माँ से डरते हैं।
मैम, as you said ना, he also thinks कि पहले मेरी माँ आती है फिर वो आती है, तो उस टाइप से।
तो वो है, तो माँ तो आएगी, माँ तो पहले आएगी, अब इसको इसके लिए जगह बनानी पड़ेगी।
We are discussing about this case, dowry, women safety, and harassment in their own in-laws' home. So, have we become better at discussing women's empowerment than actually ensuring women's safety after marriage?
हाँ, डिस्कशन तो बड़ी हो रही है, लेकिन सुधर नहीं रहा, जानते हुए कि ये लड़की का साथ फॉलो हो सकता है, लेकिन तो भी रिस्क लेते। किसी को दोष नहीं है, ये समाज है। हाउ कैन इमीडिएटली से ये मेरा जिंदगी का, तो मैरिज है ही, चली नहीं चली ना चली।
Ma'am, years from now, when people remember this case, the Trisha Sharma case, what do you think should be the most important lesson for families, investigators, judges, or the whole society?
Consider marriage as any other aspect of life, and see how it goes. There is no guarantee in anything, but emerge as good human beings. तो पहले अपने आप को करे, आपने खाना तो है ना, खाना पीना तो है ना, तो कमाना तो है। कभी आदमी को ग्रो करते देखा है कि वो उसे हमेशा ही पूछे बड़े होके क्या बनेगा, कुछ भेज देंगे उसको, वो चला जाएगा, अपने आप जाना पड़ेगा उसको।
करेक्ट।
हाँ, so this is the growth of the society at the moment. This is where we are, but it's not a safe society for women, for daughters. It's a very difficult society for daughters. Unless the daughters become strong themselves.
Yes.
And the parents make them strong.
Correct.
The ball is in the court of the parents to make their daughters strong, career oriented, and that you can find your partner when you grow up.
But ma'am, one thing also, okay, just like Trisha's friend and her mother shared many screenshot of her WhatsApp. Okay, so mother and daughter was chatting. So Trisha was saying ki, Mama, please, I am not feeling good here. Please take me home, aisa karke. And she was saying ki, I am traumatized here. But her mother is saying that you have to leave there. Please talk to your mother-in-law, father-in-law. Yes.
वो क्यों मना कर रहे हैं? वो उसको बोलना चाहिए था बेटे घर आ जाओ।
Yes, correct.
ठीक है, गलती होगी, गलत डिसीजन होगी, चलो आओ घर, आ जाओ घर, तुम्हारा तो घर खुला, तेरा कमरा अवेलेबल है, तेरी जगह है, जा काम कर, आ जा यहाँ, फिर देखेंगे इनको डील कर।
It is also the big mistake of her parents also.
उसी का मिस्टेक है। ये शुरू मिस्टेक तो पेरेंट्स से हुआ है।
Correct.
शुरुआत तो उनकी वजह से, जो देते रहे और उसको भेजते रहे। आपकी डॉटर में क्या कमी थी जो आपको उनको बेचना पड़ा? आपने बेचा है क्यों? कौन सी कमी थी तुम्हारी डॉटर में? वो पढ़ी लिखी थी, अपना लाइफ ढूंढ रही थी। She would have found a companion. She was capable of doing this. Let her find her own companion. Oh, she made a mistake. She can make a mistake. Let her make a mistake. ये भी तो मिस्टेक हुआ। तो इंडिया में ही प्रथा है इस वक्त अरेंज मैरिजेस की, पहले नहीं थी। दूसरे वर्ल्ड में नहीं है, दूसरे वर्ल्ड में सब अपने अपना ढूंढते हैं। जब तक ओपन अप सिस्टम नहीं हो, उसमें एरर भी हो सकता है, एरर तो इधर भी है उधर भी है। आई थिंक अरेंज मैरिज इज द कल्प्रिट।
करेक्ट।
अरेंज प्रथा ऑफ अरेंज मैरिज। ओके,
okay, so ma'am, we'll end this. Thank you so much for sharing your thought with us.